A spiral staircase. Very plush.
Hey, I think I've got it. It's a townhouse in New York, isn't it?
No. No, it's more like a chic new lounge.
No, it looks more like an ocean liner to me.
No, it's more like some grand hotel.
Yeah. Or maybe one of those restaurants that looks down on everything, you know?
Maybe it's some kind of movie theater.
Or some secluded rendezvous.
Very.
Pan Am introduces the incredible, the plane that's a ship, the ship that's a plane, the Boeing 747 Superjet, first takeoff December 1969 on the world's most experienced airline.